What's going on, guys? It's your boy Shevon here, back with a new video. So if you have an iPhone and an Android device and you want to transfer your WhatsApp, so this is your Android, this is your iPhone, and you don't like iPhone anymore, you switch it to Android, you have all your WhatsApp stuff, you don't know how to get it over to your Android device, this is the video for you guys. So this program I'm going to show you right here is called iTransor, and they made it super easy for us to switch between iPhone and Android to bring all over every WhatsApp messages and everything. So you just want to connect your two devices, ensure that with your Android phone you go into developer mode and enable USB debugging. It's super easy to do. They even give you step by step how to get it recognized. So if you can't recognize it, they show you for Android. You just need to unlock your device, unplug, try another USB cable, change the USB configuration to MPT or PTP. They also have the guide for you guys, which is super simple. So they have the guides right here, how to install it, how to update it, and also how do you change your configuration. As you can see, they show you how to change your configuration right here and how to enter developer mode. They also have guides for that as well if your phone can't be recognized. For example, let's say I hit this Android thing, hit retry, it will show you. So you just want to go to about device on your Android phone, software info, tap the build number 7 times, go into developer options, USB debugging, enter that, and then you'll be good to go. So you just want to select your device, which is the LG G8X 10Q, and we're just gonna transfer it. So hit transfer, hit continue, and we're gonna let it rock. So let's see how long this takes, and let's see if it transfers all my WhatsApp stuff from my iPhone over to my Android device. Sorry if I was looking on the monitor. I was supposed to be looking at the lens. My bad. I miss my cocoa butter kisses, wanna smile for the missus. Miss my cocoa butter kisses. Alright guys, so it just finished the preparation on the source device, which is it's preparing the iPhone. Now it's preparing the Android device, and it says it's installing a custom WhatsApp on the device. So now there's a pop-up on my Android device telling me to agree and continue. So I'm gonna hit agree and continue. I'm going to enter my phone number and everything. So I'm just do that real quick. And then on screen, it shows us a couple of application info. I like how it shows you what to do, you know? So just enter your WhatsApp code when you get it. Mine is 213595. Hit continue. Hit allow. And right here it's saying that you need to allow WhatsApp to access device storage. Open settings, apps, go to app info, find WhatsApp. I think you just installed a custom WhatsApp. I think this is it right here. Then you want to go to permissions, make sure storage is on. So we're gonna hit done. Yes. We need to skip that screen that it showed us. So let's go back for WhatsApp. We want to hit skip because it said click skip if you see a pop-up like this. So we're gonna hit skip. And we want to skip the restore. Alright. Hit next. Hit done. Yes, I've logged in. Alright, now it's processing our WhatsApp data. Let's see what happens if I open WhatsApp on my iPhone. Oops. This is what it says on my iPhone. Your phone number is no longer registered WhatsApp on this phone. This might be because you registered it on another device. And yes, that's what I did on this device. And as you can see, it sent me to all my groups and everything. let's just see if it transferred over like my messages. That's the main thing we want to see. But now it says it's processing the WhatsApp data, so we'll just have to give it some time to process all the WhatsApp data, and then we'll see if it saved all my messages, because as you can see right here, this is not all my messages. Alright guys, so I've begun to see some action right here. Oh my god, this actually brought back everything. So as you can see, the transfer is finished. It says WhatsApp transfer has been finished. And look at this. It literally brought back all, like, everything. Oh my god. So it has all the chat, all the data. That's actually cracked. That's actually really good. So yes guys, that was super simple on how to transfer your WhatsApp data from your iPhone over to your Android device without any hassle. Super easy. I'll have all the links down below for you guys to check out. So yes guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I said before, the links for iTransor will be down below in the description, and a few added bonuses. You have the backup WhatsApp on devices, so you could back up your WhatsApp on another device. You could also restore WhatsApp data from another device to another device, which is really cool. So yeah, this is a really cool app that it's out there for you guys to use. Makes your life easier. Links will be down below in the description. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like down below, and always, you know, I will always bring the great content, the great quality. Thanks to iTransor for sponsoring this video and letting me show you guys something that I actually need, because you know I'm Caribbean. Out the Caribbean, people use WhatsApp. Out the international, people use WhatsApp. And as you can see, I'm in a lot of groups. I run a lot of messages, and I use different devices a lot. So this really means a lot to me to use this software to transfer between different WhatsApp phones, because whenever I transfer between different phones, I always have to start over new conversations, send out broadcast messages saying, hey, if anyone messaged me, please send me a new message, because I might have missed it. But with this, it saves everything, brings it on over to my Android device, and whenever I need to use a new device, hop onto here and I'll just do the same thing again. So yeah, great app, links down below. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.